I'm sort of hoping to learn new things that I haven't learnt before and just brush up on some things that I know or have done in the past that I haven't done in a little bit. Also, it's nice that recently I got told this morning that I'm contributing to projects that are being worked on in department, which is nice. So my code is being used and I just know that it works and I'm happy with it. I found it quite nice because I was expecting, with the whole coronavirus to be on Teams or Zoom or something like that with the interview, but I went to an office actually to do an in-person interview, which was really nice. I always get a bit nervous around an interview because it's an interview, there's pressure, but it felt really nice because there was space and I could talk with multiple people instead of it being one-on-one, which I like more than just a one-on-one. I'm very excited about the data science. That was one that really sprang to me. I was interviewed by one of the members of the team as well, which was really good. Also, I'm quite excited by the project management office, so I can't wait for that one, because that sounds interesting. Well, I didn't really know what I wanted to do throughout most of my high school and college time, because more towards the end of college, my life was up in the air. I was always thinking, I want to do something with maths, and I want to do something with other things as well. But when I did computer science, I realised, I've opened up a whole new realm here. So I've opened up to a whole array of different professions just from wanting to do computer science. And I guess I would say that one of the things I want to do now after that would be in sort of computer science or data, or because I did statistics, I like data. So data, statistics, computer science, anything in that realm really. So quite broad. A lot of things, I'd say. Mainly, I've been to a hospital a few times, so I've seen machinery, I've seen all the bells and whistles. But for me, it doesn't seem like that because I've been exposed to nanotechnology in a medical setting before, and that's really all I've thought of it being, because it's all the little things that they can use to get information out. So a tablet camera, for example, is quite small and it's quite interesting how it works. I'm not sure about that, actually. I don't think anything has made me think, I don't know, or I'm a bit nervous about that, but I'll just take it in my stride, because that's how I've had to take most things recently. The one thing was the healthcare aspect, because I'd been exposed to all sorts of medical fun and not so fun moments. That was one of the big things, but also the technology side of things, because the two do work quite well together from what I've read and heard about. And for me, it's more a case of I like technology, I like all the numbers and data, so it seems to all fit in well. And the healthcare aspect is just great because it has more purpose than most things. Goodness me, it's been a while since I've answered a question like that, which is good. Admittedly, it's given me time to brush up. For me, I'd say, obviously I can converse well with people, but that's not my biggest, most important skill. For me, it's my sort of attention to detail would probably be the best, because I like things to work. Working's great, but when it's not efficient working, it's pretty up and down, and it's not perfect. I do like it done pretty well, but perfection is just the icing on the cake for me. Briefly. No, I did a school trip in year 8 to Belgium. So we briefly passed through France for about 6 hours, I think it was. And it was quite nice, the bits that we saw. So I am quite looking forward. Plus, I've actually been on YouTube before, and there are a couple of people who have been to France or made content in France, and it looks lovely. So I'm quite looking forward to that.